Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the updated process of leaving a group on Instagram using your PC. Whether you're looking to declutter your messages or simply want to exit a group chat, we've got you covered with easy steps. Let's dive right in. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and signing into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look for the messages icon located at the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a paper airplane. Click on this icon to access your direct messages. Next, you'll need to open the group chat that you want to leave. Scroll through your list of conversations and click on the group you wish to exit. Now that you're in the group chat, look for the info icon at the top of the chat window. This icon usually appears next to the group name. Click on it to open the group details. In this section, scroll down until you see the option that says Leave Chat. Click on this option, and a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure about leaving the group. Finally, confirm your decision by clicking on Leave again in the pop-up. And just like that, you're out. You will no longer receive messages from this group, and importantly, other members won't be notified about your departure. Remember, if you were the creator of the group, leaving it will automatically delete the entire group for all members. So be mindful of that before making your final decision. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to leave a group on Instagram using your PC with just a few simple clicks. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating social media.